Hey guys, it's Jamie and this is my sister.
Hey, I'm Paige and this is my kitchen.
Today we're making a goat milk soap scented honey bunny for Easter. Should I even do that?
It's like rainbow clouds.
It's like rainbow. Ooh.
Ooh. Wow.
Okay, we're gonna start by adding our goat milk right into our oils. Okay, and here comes our lye water.
You look very feminine with these pink gloves and your purple sweat.
I know, I'm a little legally blonde today, I guess. Okay. So we're gonna do something a little different. We just decided what we were gonna do for this soap. We are going to do a pink, purple, and blue in the pot swirl. So I'm gonna start by very quickly blending in my fragrance, and then while I'm stirring in my colorants and divvying it up, Paige is going to tell you what's in this fragrance oil.
Yeah, it smells like Easter. It has notes of bergamot, sweet orange, a little bit of apple, and then of course what they call golden honey nectar.
Golden honey nectar.
So it's a little bit sweet, a little bit crisp, and smells like honey bunny.
Yeah, this is actually, this fragrance is a dupe of a very, very popular fragrance by a company that starts with an L and ends with an ush. So I'm going to start by divvying up my colors. We're going to make it look like a big old Easter egg. Maybe it'll look kind of tie-dye-y like they, that was.
See, that's what I was going for the whole time.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay. I never really know how the color's going to turn out anyways. I have a vague idea, but I tweak it as I go, so
We were just talking about how
that's going to be very bright now.
We were just talking about how purple has always been my favorite color since I was very little, and how pink is probably actually my favorite color now, but I spent 20 years telling people that purple is my favorite color, so
She can't betray purple.
I can't, yeah, I mean,
now.
why would I give up on such a long-lasting love affair with the color purple?
I don't know, Paige. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I love that pink. And I don't know.
It matches your gloves.
It does match my gloves. I don't know if they can even see it, but you'll see it while I'm swirling it. I think I'm gonna want more purple colorant in here, but we'll see. I trust you to put it in. Let me do it. Okay, I'm good with that purple. Let's mix up the blue. You dropped an earring in your toilet? Okay, we're gonna talk about an in the pot swirl. So basically what this means is I dump all the colors in the pot and then pour it into the mold. And it's pretty simple. That is what I'm going to do. Like fair cotton candy that would come in the big,
oh yeah, the big
bags,
blue, yeah.
And it'd be pink, purple, and blue. You'll see that pretty well. So now we're going to do our pouring, which also is going to be random.
Oh, it's really nice. It reminds me of Go-Gurt.
Go-Gurt?
Yeah. Cotton candy Go-Gurt, actually.
And then we are going to decide what in the world we want to do with the top.
Glitter.
Okay. I don't know what we want to do. Oh, that's weird. Paige wants glitter. We're gonna do glitter.
But only a little. And only over here.
What?
I just want it on this side.
No, I'm not doing one row with glitter.
No, I mean all of them, but only on one side of the soap.
Oh. And you want it on that side, not this side?
On the tall side.
You want, okay.
Like little glitter volcanoes.
All right, here. Glitter volcanoes. Okay, we're gonna put it in the fridge. Putting it in the fridge. We are here with our Easter soap. This
Yeah.
is Honey Bunny, and we're gonna unmold it for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's take these soaps out of the mold.
There's a on it.
Okay, what does it smell like?
I love it. It smells like a bunny. I love it. Daddy, no, Daddy.
It smells like a baby.
He said it smells like a bunny.
Smells like a bunny?
Yeah.
It smells like a bunny. Why don't you tell everybody who you guys are? Tell them who you are.
You tell them.
This is Eliza. How old are you, Eliza?
Elisa.
And Levi.
Tata is Daddy.
And who am I?
Nanny.
I'm Mommy. You're right.
I'm
Aw,
5.
Thanks.
My
You are
eye
5.
has So we're making a page for Paige.
We're making a page for Paige. We're
And
making
a video for Paige. Let me see.
What do you guys love about Paige?
Because she lets us watch movies when it's close to nighttime.
She does. Look at those. Oh, that's so cool.
Whoa! It's like that's rainbow water.
Rainbow water.
Lodo la la.
Rainbow water. You want to cut them now?
La. Me
Okay.
too. I was waiting for that.
All right, hang on. Okay, don't touch your brother. Don't put your hair in the soap. Okay, are you guys ready to cut?
Yeah.
You gonna help Mommy? Okay. Hang on, we gotta line it up, Levi. We're gonna line it up. Okay, ready to push? Levi is done. Go ahead. Let's turn the video off.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Check us out on our website at DeerBunny Farm, or our Facebook or Instagram. All of our soaps that we make on our channel are available for sale. And if you'd like to, like and subscribe.